Okay, so let's start the journey. Hello, doggy. Oh man, I'm really afraid of these dogs because of all these years. No, he thought of me to be something else. So now we are in the main village of Pondicherry, Auroville, Aurobindo Ashram. The whole city, this was established by Maharishi Aurobindo. He was a freedom fighter, by the way. He was a great freedom fighter. You know, after getting to jail and when his, I think it was his brother that was hanged. Yeah, his brother was hanged in that freedom struggle due to some case. After getting out from the jail, he came to South India, Tamil Nadu. He took a small village and established his ashram there. Wow, see the half car standing there just on the top of the cottage. Yeah, so that was his story of Maharishi Aurobindo. So after releasing out from the jail, he changed his whole path from nationalism to spiritualism. So he started his journey inwards. Spirituality was his main concern after that, and he worked a lot on that. So he was the one who established this ashram. By the way, it was the first type of, the whole model of this ashram was designed to work on a non-monetary basis. It was a kind of barter, so he was trying to revive the ancient traditions of India, because the money would generate greed, and the greed was the reason for all miseries that happens in this world. So no money, no misery, right? I don't know how, but sometimes it really feel a lot similar, right? Sometimes it feels like that. Yeah, it is so much true. When we had no money in our pockets, when for everything we had to do something